Vivo seems set to launch the S20 series in China soon. The leak comes as a new Vivo phone, model number V2430A, recently passed China's mandatory 3C quality certification. The leaker suggests this model could be the S20 Pro. Vivo S20 Pro will have a 6.67 inches 1.5K resolution curved edges on all four sides screen with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and an in-screen fingerprint sensor. The camera department: Vivo S20 Pro triple lens camera system, 50-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultrawide and a 3x optical zoom periscope lens. 50-megapixel selfie camera. The Vivo S20 Pro powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus processor, up to 16 GB of RAM, and up to 1 TB of storage. It is expected to be backed by a 6500 mAh typical battery, and support for 90W fast charging. The phones will arrive as a premium mid-range offering, with a focus on design, aesthetics, performance, and cameras. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.